Hi guys! We are going to make today a homemade easy biscuit. So first we're gonna make our buttermilk. So because we don't have buttermilk, we're gonna make our buttermilk. For now, we are going to use our whole milk, 1 cup of it, and we're gonna use lemon. So we're gonna cut the lemon and we're gonna use half of this lemon. Lemon or lime or vinegar, you can use it. And we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of it, and that will create curl in our milk, and that is the perfect buttermilk we're gonna use. So just pour 1 tablespoon of lime, and then we mix that and we set aside. And now we're gonna mix it. As you can see, it has a different already, and we can see there's a little bit curl in there now. So right now, okay guys, so we had no light, so we're gonna lighten up so you guys can see properly. So as you can see, I have my recipe in here. I've been using this recipe for a long time, and there is our buttermilk. Is you can see it has a curl now. It's look like buttermilk now. See, we create our buttermilk. So right now we are going to. So right now we're gonna get our flour. We're gonna use our flour. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And of course, we're gonna need it more later to make our dough. So we're gonna add salt. Add your 1 teaspoon of salt. Just add that in there. And baking powder. We're gonna use 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we're gonna use our baking soda. 1/4 baking soda. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. This is room temperature butter. We're gonna make sure that it's room temperature, so when we mix our dough, it's not gonna give us a problem. So there we go. Let's set aside, and we're gonna need a shortening, vegetable shortening too. And we're gonna add 1.5 of shortening. There we go. Put that aside. Then we're gonna mix them together. This is easy, fast biscuit recipe. So I've been using this for a long time. I don't know if I make video. And add your homemade buttermilk. That's our buttermilk. As you can see, we have a perfect buttered milk. So just add your buttermilk. Just mix them together. So when you see that it's sticking now and it's hard to mix, we are going to use our sauces. So add a little bit of flour. Just mix them together. Of course, you're gonna have to use your hand. Just make sure that everything is mixed. Okay guys, there's our perfect dough of biscuit, as you can see. It's very soft. So we're gonna use a glass. We're just sticking that up in there. And there we go. And just put it in your baking sheets. If you want to use like cutting with knife, that's fine too. I did that already before with the knife and it's fine. The recipe of this video is the buttermilk. That's how I made my homemade buttermilk in the quick process. It's very quick, so fast, like you can imagine. And it's just so fast and it's so good. Their salt is just so good. And when we have this one, because we have left, just have to roll it. And we're gonna get that. We put that in half. Okay guys, there's our biscuits. So excited. So I'm just gonna brush milk on the top. So now I'm gonna brush it with milk on the top. And our oven is heated up with 350 Fahrenheit. And we're gonna bake this probably 25 to 30 minutes. Depends. When it's brown, then that's cooked. So probably 25 minutes. Or 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, I'll put this in the oven and I'll be back when it's cooked. Okay guys, our biscuit is cooked. I don't know if I think it's not showing that it's a little bit brown on the top, just a little bit. Then there's the back, and there it is. Then we're just showing you. You can see it's cracking and it's perfectly cooked. It's crunchy outside, it's very soft inside. So here it is, our homemade quick biscuit. Hope you guys like it. Have a great day. See you again in my next vlog. Bye.